Welcome to the Self-Taught Music Guy channel. In this lesson, I am going to teach you the Grade 3 Aural Test. By the end of this lesson, you will know the content of each part, what to do and how to do in the exam. First, let's take a look at the Part A. To clap the pulse of a piece played by the examiner, identify whether it is in 2-time, 3-time or 4-time. The examiner will start playing the passage, and the candidate should join in as soon as possible, clapping in time and giving a louder clap on the strong beat. The examiner will then ask whether the music is in 2-time, 3-time or 4-time. The candidate is not required to state the time signature. For example, listen and try to follow the pulse. Feel where the strong beat is. Here we go. Can you feel the following pattern? The answer is in 2-time. Part B. To sing as echoes 3 phrases played by the examiner. The phrases will be 2 bars long, in a major or minor key, and within the range of an octave. First, the examiner will play the key chord and the starting note and then count in 2 bars. After the examiner has played each phrase, the candidate should sing back the echo without a pause, keeping in time. For example, listen to the key chord and tonic note. Part C. To identify a change in either pitch or rhythm during a phrase played by the examiner. The phrase will be up to 4 bars long, in a major or minor key. First, the examiner will play the key chord and the tonic, and then count in 2 bars. The examiner will play the phrase twice, making the change in the second playing, after which the candidate should identify the change by describing it, or singing clapping. If necessary, the examiner will play both versions of the phrase again, although this may affect the assessment. For example, listen to the following short phrase. Here is the first time. And the second time. Is that a pitch change or rhythm change? The answer is rhythm change. The notes are even at the beginning. Part D. To answer questions about 2 features of a piece played by the examiner. Before playing, the examiner will tell the candidate which 2 features the questions will be about. The first will be one of the following: dynamics, articulation and tempo. The second one will be tonality. For example, listen to the following music. The first question will be about the tempo. The second one will be about tonality. Question 1. What do you notice about the tempo at the end of the music? The answer is, the tempo is getting slower at the end of the music. Question 2. What is the tonality of the music? The answer is, it is in minor key. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. There are many ways to answer this part of the test. You can describe, sing, or clap to change. To keep it simple, you only need to do 3 things in this part. First, describe the change, saying is it rhythmic or pitch change. Second, locate where is the change. Is it at the beginning, middle, or near the end? Third, how is the change? Does the rhythm become dotted or even? The interval becomes a second? A third? We will check all answers at the end of this video. Exercise 1. Now I play a phrase twice, but with the change of either pitch or rhythm the second time. Tell me what's the difference. Here is the key chord. And the pulse. Now with the change. Exercise 2. Now with the change. Exercise 3. Now with the change. Exercise 4. Now with the change. Exercise 5. Now with the change.
You need to answer questions about 2 features of a piece played by the examiner. Before playing, the examiner will tell the candidate which 2 features the questions will be about. The first question will be about one of these: dynamic, articulation, or tempo. For dynamics, the possible answer can be loud or quiet, sudden or gradual changes. You can answer with technical musical terms like forte piano, or simply answer loud soft will be fine. For articulation, You can answer whether it is smooth or detached, or choose to say the musical terms like legato or staccato. About the tempo, you can tell if the music is getting slower or faster, or staying in the same tempo. The second question will be tonality, which means the key. So bear in mind that you only have two choices, major or minor. Here we go. We will check the answer at the end of this video. Exercise 1. Listen to the following music. The first question will be about the articulation. The second one will be about tonality. Question 1. What do you notice about the articulation? Question 2. What is the tonality of the music? Exercise 2. Question 1. What happened about the dynamic at the beginning of the music? Question 2. What is the tonality of the music? Exercise 3. Question 1. Can you describe the tempo of the music? Does it change or stay the same? Question 2. What is the tonality of the music? Exercise 4. Question 1. What happened about the tempo near the end of the music? Question 2. What is the tonality of the music? Exercise 5. Question 1. What do you notice about the articulation of the music? Question 2. What is the tonality of the music?